everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Philine, and if you're new to my channel, welcome to my channel. And today's video, as you can see, it's unboxing. Yay! It's a big box. Oh, it's always good to know when to shop, where to shop, and how to shop, because shopping is an art that is only to me. Yes. Without further ado, let's do unbox this big guy. Let's see what we got. All right. By the way, I am selling a lot of stuff, and click down in my Mercari and check out my online store. You will have a lot of discount, and don't forget to make an offer. If you feel like offering a good price, I can do also bundle. All right, okay, this is probably the biggest box I ever unboxed. That's right. Okay, all right. Ow. So and Charan, it's my Hammitt. Yes. Okay, we will put it down, so we will do it one by one. So without further ado, there it is, and voila. Yay. As I said, I always admire the packaging of Hammitt. Like, it's like super duper and nice and expensive packaging. Yes, why not? And oh my god, ta-da! So this is dun, 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 voila. It's smells good. You know the fine leather that you unbox, or you always know when the leather is pretty good because it smells like leather. With the gold hardware, this is a Davis. The style for this one is called Davis, and this is the medium size. Medium size. And oh my god, I like this one because it has a big thick strap. Look at that. So this can be a shoulder bag. Okay, let me show you, because my favorite nowadays is Hammitt, and I could not deny the fact that they have mostly, probably so far, with the price that they have. See that thick, it doesn't hurt my shoulder. Oh my god, this is nice. So I like this medium size, and it's, I don't know, it's red or maroon, something like that. And look at that, how soft is the leather, and look at that, the closure is magnetic there, so it covers like that. And it has also another strap for hang on. Oh yeah, I can do this. So this is good for like shoulder bag, or another shoulder bag, or crossbody bag. So this is really perfect for me. So I have something, I have to pick between this one and the black one, this one or the black one, which is smaller, but I really smells good. And this one where you can put your phone, and I know that when it comes to versatility, Hammitt is one of the best for me, in my very own opinion. By the way, disclaimer, Hammitt, this is not a sponsored video, so Hammitt don't sponsor me. I just do this because I like the brand. And look, so what I found, or what I find in my journey of buy and selling, or I do a lot of reviews also, but when I buy again and I just do a review, that's why this is not the only time I bought this one. But look, it's a lot of pocket. So this is the front and this is the back there. Then this is for your cell phone and it's pretty secure. The good thing about this is that it doesn't hurt your shoulder because of the strap. They are thick enough, see? And I like it. Let's go. All right, so yes, that's why I keep buying Hammitt, because not only that they have beautiful packaging, that's when you know that they really care for their product and for their customer, because they actually put it in a beautiful packaging. And voila, I have this. I believe this is free. So this is the free one. Look, oops, oopsie. So this is a leather cleaner and this is free. They give it for me for free because of the amount that I bought from their store. They have certain amount, and I have rewards from before that when I bought the product. Yes, so your card. Okay, so hang on, I have problem where to put this one. And let's do the second box. Okay, so oh my goodness, ta-da! And of course this again, this is one of the, this is my first time buying this kind, and look at how they do their, it's really nice. And a box inside the box. This is actually removable. They're just making it sure your product is secure. And this is called, ta-da! This is called Ferris Black, and the original price was $495, but I got this on sale, of course. And I think it's too big for me, but this one have a zipper. Okay, so this one is just like this one. This is actually really nice. So it's soft and nice, so you can just hug this one. So this is nice. You know, it fits everything that you like. Plus, look at that. And I like their metal. This is really pretty. It's not super flashy. And the back is here. You can put your cell phone in here. You can put something in here. Oh my God, there's a lot of pockets. Look. And of course, I have to take this off. Okay, there. It's beautiful. This is like if you like to use it for daily bag, because you can put your water bottle and everything. You can put a lot of stuff, and you can even put the, hang on, shoes in this if you like. And it's just very soft, and it's, you know, it's a fine leather, and it's really light and it's soft. Plus I have the free leather cleaning stuff. So yeah, it's beautiful. I am going to show you inside. So this is the inside. So now I am thinking which is which that I'm going to have. So I like it with zipper, and it's just an everyday bag. It's beautiful. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe in my channel, and also click the link down below in my Mercari. You might find something nice for yourself. I do have bags there and other stuff and shoes and just beautiful things. Yes, give yourself a gift. Thank you so much and have a beautiful day, everyone. Bye.